Hello everyone, welcome to the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. In the previous tutorial, we have successfully inserted comma separated category ID in the database with the help of throw procedure called from the controller action. We have observed in the previous video that whenever we are inserting a new record, the list is not updating with the right information, and for that we need to update our Ajax call, which is called on whenever a new record is inserted. As you can see, we have insert Ajax call. When it will get a successful response from the controller, it will initiate another Ajax call to get the information from database to render that within the list. Instead of replicating the above get Ajax, which you can see I have Ajax here. Here we have the Ajax, which is updated one. Instead of replicating that here, we can create their common function. How a common function can be created? Here you can see I will declare a function get list information, and place the code of Ajax call here. Now what we need to do, we need to just call this function here, simple as this. Now I will take it to the top where I am using this whole function Ajax call, placing that here, and now right after this I will call it. That's it. Now refresh this and you will see it will automatically render the data here, and whenever I will create a new record 10 having WordPress and Arduino, this information, remove debugger, create, it will automatically call that function and refresh the information here for the record 10. In the next tutorial we will create a code for the added purpose. Like here you can see we did not apply that here for the added purpose. We will do the code for added purpose and implement that code here. So in this video tutorial we are just summing up this. If you have any kind of question, you can ask us, and don't forget to subscribe the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. Take care, bye bye, have fun.